I wake up early. Good morning, Kitty. Let's see the sunrise. I brush my teeth every morning. All clean now. I love the view. My cat is so cute. I get dressed. My cat is waking up. Now I wash my face. All ready! I comb my hair every night. Now for my favorite part. Hey kitty, ready for pets? You're so soft and fluffy.
I go to school. The cherry blossoms are so beautiful today.
I open the door, stepping into a new chapter. The fleeting beauty of these blossoms reminds me of the transient nature of our experiences. I run fast. I sit on the chair. Now I stand up. Time to go.